Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. I'm going to do the quick unboxing and I will share with you the oil extraction pump. This is from OEM Tools. This is a manual fluid extraction pump. Whenever I'm going to change the oil, this pump will be really handy. It's always advisable, go through the manual. This is the tubing which we're going to insert it, and this is the main hose, and this is a heavy duty. This one will plug into this side. This one goes inside like this, and there will be no leak. So this side, so you're going to put it inside and we're going to press it just like this. So it seals it properly. You plug in like this. The tubing has a diagonal cut. So when we're going to insert it in, and it will go into the oil pan. Once it's going to hit the oil pan, it will suck all the oil. This pump is very handy. Not only that you can extract the oil, it also comes with another tubing. This is good for the brake fluid, the steering fluid. So very good feature. Once you start using this pump, you will never go back to the manual way of doing it. This is how it really looks, and once you're done, and this side the tubing goes right here. There will be no spillage. So that is a good thing about this pump. I really like this feature. As for the performance, please watch my videos. So I'm going to change the oil on my Mercedes ML63 and I will show you the performance. I'll list the information under my description in case you need one. So this is so easy to use. There is no mess. It's very clean job. So I thought I should share with you. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.